Hey everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making taco potatoes. What all goes in taco potatoes? 1 pound lean ground beef, 4 to 6 medium russet potatoes, washed and scrubbed, 1 packet taco seasoning, 1/2 cup water, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, and I have the sharp cheddar, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup chopped green onions, and 1/2 cup diced tomatoes. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. So after you washed and scrubbed the potatoes, take a potato and poke some holes all over it. Now the recipe didn't say anything about this, but I'm going to take some olive oil and rub all over it. So make the skin crispy. If you like to eat the skins, that will make it better. And sprinkle some salt on it as well to give it a little bit more flavor. You can use any kind of salt, sea salt, kosher salt. I'm just using table salt because that was the quickest within reach. And I'll do one more for you. Poke some holes. Rub it with some olive oil. And sprinkle it with some salt. I'm only doing 4 potatoes, so I'll finish those other 2 and I'll be right back. Put your potatoes in a preheated 400-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes until fork tender. So the potatoes are almost done, so we'll make the taco part of this. So put your ground beef in a skillet and over medium heat, brown your ground beef. Then drain your hamburger. Then add your 1 package of taco seasoning and your 1/2 cup of water. Stir that up and then simmer that for 5 minutes until thickened. So take one of the potatoes and slice it open. Add some cheese, some sour cream. I did that backwards. Should have added the taco meat first. So it goes taco meat, cheese, sour cream, green onions, and tomatoes. And it's not good unless it's messy. So here is the taco potato. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Action!
Need one of those clapper boards.
Well, this is a spud full of stuff.
That is taco potatoes.
That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.